In this video, we will learn how to use the rectangle tool and modify it. To create a rectangle, click the icon and drag. To be equal, use the Shift key. To draw an equilateral rectangle from the center, press Shift and Alt. To draw a square of a specific size, click the icon and click on the area. Fill in the numbers and press OK. To make a curved corner, drag the point inwards. Or, click again to bend only one of the corners. To rotate with a specific angle, you can drag at an angle while pressing the Shift key. OK. Good luck. And see you in the next video. Thank you for clicking like this video, because it will help YouTube recommend it to other friends who want to learn. Don't forget follow this channel by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the bell to get the latest video updates. Thank you.